Hi friends, welcome back. Dana here again, and I made another stop motion puppet, this time of a sarlac from Star Wars. Most people don't really know the sarlac by what it actually looks like underground, but here's my stop motion puppet of a sarlac. As you can see, we all know this part of the sarlac. Boba Fett definitely does. But, yeah, this is fully posable as well. But, yeah, I would film it frame by frame moving. But, yeah. It is a stop motion puppet, as you can see. The tentacles are posable, fully posable. And I made all the teeth from scratch. This is made of latex and foam, just like the Rancors. The teeth are made out of a polyester plastic. But yeah, this is what a sarlac looks like. Let's see if we can get a full rotation. But yeah, I hope y'all dig it. Please like and subscribe and share this video. See you later. Bye.